Hi guys, this is Khadir. Today I show you how to partition drivers in my system for partition Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 10 as well as I showing that process. The process is completed in my system. Increase the size or decrease the size of the C drive or D drive, something like that. So this is very useful. Without your system formatting or without booting your system, this is possible. That option is disk management. So I will show you that process. Okay, first open the my computer. Okay, here left hand side this PC is there, right? Right click on that piece, this PC. Okay, here some option is there, so click on that manage option. So click on that manage option. Yeah, here this window is open, right? The computer management window is open. So here some options is the system tools or storage, like that. So here storage is there. Inside the storage, disk management is there. Click on the disk management. Yeah, here is the disk management directory. I mean the disk management window. Here C drive and entertainment in files and technical. This drives already created when my system I mean OS installed, that time created. So 127 GB is there, right? So this 127 GB I already process completed, then I showing this increase the GB. So before one I show you that one actually. This is the before when my process is not completed, the time is showing this GB free. So here 30 GB unallocated is there, right? That is a free space. This GB add to in C drive. Okay, so here I will adding the process in my system, but that is not possible. Actually that option is not there for C drive increase the size. So before the existing drives is there, right? So that is a possible. Why? Because this is a right hand side is there, the free allocated, so free space. So right hand side is there, right? So that can be possible to increase the size, but in C drive right hand side is not there. So that's why that's why is I thought that is a option is not there, so inbuilt. So only left side is the not possible. If you increase the size, that free unallocated space must need right side. Before 197 GB is there my system, so 30 GB add to C drive. Okay, so here some drivers is there, right click on the driver. Okay, here some extend volume, shrink volume and delete volume is there, and format. Extend volume is nothing but so increase the size. Volume means the free space, I mean the size of the GB or MB, that is the volume. Okay, so here some extend the volume, so dialog box is there, so click on the next. So here some showing the 99 MB. So present in my system 99 MB is the free space is there. So that is the add to this files drive. Okay, that is the D drive. So when you click on the next, that is the adding to my D drive. Okay, so no need to now. Okay, so another one is click on it. Shrink volume is there. Shrink volume is nothing but so here some EV 125680, right? 5608. So this is a 107 GB actually, so total. So this here showing only MB. So MB to calculate to in GB, that is a 1 MB, sorry, 1024 MB equal 1 GB, right? This is the calculate in T. So that is the 30,000 some 782 something like that. So that GB increase the C drive. Here is a after complete my process, that picture I am showing here. So here is the before, when you are not completed, say increase the C drive, that is a before one picture this is. Okay, and one more is format is nothing but completely drive is a formatting your completely empty, that is drive is completely empty. So, okay, and delete volume also is the same like that, format also same. Okay, so here C drive, that extend volume is not there, so click on that. So yes, here extend volume is a disable. So this is the free allocation value is not there in right side, so that is the problem, or some I don't know, so why not show here. So this can be possible in third party software. Using the third party software, increase the C drive. Okay, I'm showing that one also. So yeah, this is a third party software, OMA partition assessment professional 8.10. So complete this partition manager, Windows 10 or 8 or 7, so all versions working fine, up to 7. Okay, this is the license version, so I already installed my system, so I will show you this process. Okay, so open the OMA partition software. Yeah, this is a window. A dynamic disk is there, right, in the center, so click on the dynamic disk. Yeah, this is the open window. So here C drive is 96 GB is there, right? So this C drive in space free space is the 30 GB. I want this directory increase, so I right click here, resize and resize or move volume is there, so click on that option. The increase the space or moving the right here, unallocated space is there, so this is also possible to move left or right, something like that. Okay, so when you are that moving the process, here checkbox is there, so click on that checkbox. Okay, so here some moving option is there, that C drive, so here showing, right, so blue color space is there, so that is your free moving that C drive. So when you are moving the C drive, here changing the free space, the left to right, right to left, right, you're seeing, right? Yeah, I need the increase the, this is the one process, the moving the directory. Okay, and now I need some increase the size. Here some drag option is there, right, cursor option. So when you drag the full space, so here increase the GB to the 127.68, right? So click on OK, so that increase the size, C drive increase the size. Okay, here some commit option is there, right? I click on that commit. Here some showing the message, note implementation of the operations maybe take approx 1 hour 26 minutes or more. So exactly I don't know how much you take time. So okay, so in addition, your computer may need to be restarted after completing operations. Okay, when you click on the proceed, so I click on the proceed. Here some dialog box is there, your computer need to restart and complete these operations in reboot mode. Okay, would you like restart your computer now? So these operations going on restarted mode. I mean that block screen is coming, then your process is going on. The I mean in progress in the block screen. Okay, here no need to check the shutdown computer after complete the operation. No need to check this one. So they click on the OK button. Okay, this is the this process is going on for restarting my system, right? So that is OMA partition manager handle this process. Okay, so don't worry about, this is a process ongoing. So when your process is done, I will show you final output. After restarting my system, the process is completed. Okay, I open my computer and check these sizes are completely working or not. Okay, yeah, cool. 42 GB increase, and so I totally increase the 30 GB. So before one 12 GB is there main system, so the 12 GB with 30 GB, so totally 42 GB free for C drive. This is the process. For more updates, keep watching my videos and please subscribe my channel and like and share. Thank you guys.